Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our talking about what is screening test for CSS Center Superior Surfaces. Basically, screening test is a MCQs test, which is almost 100 MCQs are given, and every students have compulsory to attempt these questions because no one has choice and no one optional subject selected in these. Only 6 subjects are selected for screening test. Those are includes in the CSS syllabus, in which we can say that English, Islamiyat, everyday sciences, and current affairs and Pakistan affairs. These are the some topics that are included in MCQs of 100 marks papers, and 33 or 40 marks are necessary to pass the examination. There are many benefits of screening test, as you know that mostly student taking part in the examination without their preparations. I will know that if they are going to be pass these screening tests, then they are able to be participate in written test. If they are not participating in screening test and they are not eligible to proceed their next step, they are uh, not try to sit in the written test. So this test, you know that CSS is competitive exam, and this exam are to we change into steps. First step is screening, then written test, then psychological test, interview test, etc. Then our test is have been cleared. So that there are so much confusions regarding screening test. So we have talked about screening test is a MCQs test that includes 100 MCQs, and every student necessary to get 40 marks to participate in the written test. And these MCQs taken from the compulsory subject of CSS, and these are some beneficial steps have been taken from the FPSC for those students which are going to be partition and aspirant for CSS. Thanks so much.